Okay, first you might receive an email that shows you exactly what we're trying to demonstrate at the moment. Now, once you receive an email that indicates, sorry, it can be a little bit slow, digital signature, first thing you need to do from there, scroll down. Here on the message tool, you might have a, depending on your situation of using this electronic signature, Kiva might indicate a few notes that you need to get understand. Um, okay, so first thing you need to do is just press start signing. Okay, and this might take you to another page. But at the moment, while we wait there, okay, bear with me for a second. So this might take a little longer. Okay, now it says continue as a guest. Usually, it's good to just continue as a guest because if you sign up, they might ask you many questions and everything, and it takes a longer time, which I'm thinking you might not have. So let's just say this. Now, before you do anything, just make sure you agree. This will allow you to the signing side of the digital signings. Just press I agree to the terms. If you want, you could just press that also, and it gives you just a little indications of what you are agreeing to. But now I'm just gonna move on. Now, usually would have something like this: input your address here. So now, once you press that, okay, which says click to start. Okay, sorry about that. So now, usually you have to start signing. Then you can start writing on all the spaces that are required to fill out the form or agreement, depending on what you received as a request. Now let's just go through that. So you ask your address, you just put your address. You can put say 7 Street, um, say Backlands. Okay, and next if you press enter or just go over to next, will take you to the next one. So you press that also and fill up all the details. Okay. Okay, so now I went ahead, so I didn't want to take too long filling up all the details. Like I explained before, you just click in the blue line inbox to indicate to put the details you need to put. And as you can see here, you put the property. This is one example basically. So you put the address of the property that needs to be signed. This is an uh, agreement for property sale by us and the vendor or the property owner. Now, and it will indicate everything. Just read them carefully so when it's all done. Now, on the signature part here, just click there and it gives you options where you can write your name or also draw it on your own. And this is the great thing about this option is usually people sign it on their own, so not just their names, but it's best to just use um, your own signature. And the good thing about this is if you're using a laptop, you can use the mouse or any desktop, or if you're using a mobile or smartphones, basically you can use this by using your finger. So now I'm using a laptop, so I'm basically moving my finger to make the sign, and then here just do initials of first name and a last name. Okay, and press OK there. So the signature is already there, and here the place of the business. So you put your business address. So it could be anything. Business address required. And now once you do that, and then you can just go either next or press the next key here. Okay. So I'm pressing it. This gives you the indication of the date that you signed, so you don't have to put the date in. And after all this is done, okay, all you have to do just press finish, and it's all done. That easy. Okay, so on this page here, you can say email it to me on the document you just signed. But don't worry about it. We have a system in place. When your signature is finished, you will get your automatic copy of your signed document. Okay, so let's just go back now and see what is that is. So if we say just send me a copy, then the document mailed successfully, so that will be sent back to you. Okay, so now let's just go here and see what we have received. It says a copy of the document of that you just have signed automatically receives. So the reason why I said not to ask them to send it to you, because our system recognizes that once you finish your copy, we'll send it to you directly straight away. Okay, and by going on below here, okay, and here is your documents, basically shows you. Okay, which is all filled out, everything, and your signature, everything on it. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any questions or anything you're not sure about, just make sure you call us. Thank you very much.